All right. Good morning, everyone. Louis Sports Little Man Over Market, and this is June 16th, halfway through the month, and we're this morning call. Sorry for yesterday. Still had some technical problems today, but we're getting things straightened out. All right. So as I said yesterday, I tweeted out that I thought the market would fill in between 62 and 65 overnight. We got a low of 62, and we've got a high of 2075. Okay, when you take a look at what's going on, we've had not a real meltdown, but the market surely is going down, making higher or lower highs, okay, and lower lows, and higher or lower lows. Yes, that's it. Am I right? We're making lower highs and lower lows. So, the market seems to be trending down. We filled in yesterday. I thought yesterday should have been a double distribution day, but what the market's been doing is actually taking 2 days or an overnight, a day and a half to make and complete moves. So we finish all these single prints here, and I still think that the market is heading towards the 20 half area, 2047 to be exact. So right now, we've got highs of 2075.75, and we've got a low of 2062. We've got an overnight mode of 2069 and a quarter. 2069 and a quarter. All right. So I think we're going to get a two-sided trade based on whether we can fail up here, not take out the highs, all right, or not take out yesterday's high or the Globex high. So I think the market is in a sell mode, and we have to, just basically be selling rallies until we can get a turnaround. And I can tell you, the only way I'm going to get a turnaround in this market for me is that we're going to have to get a close above the cash, and I got it here in red at 2098, basically 2099. We're going to have to get back above that with a close for the market, I think, to turn around. Key cash 2088 half, 2080 even, and 2067. Under 2067, I've got 2057 to 2060. As you can see on the cash, a day pivot is sitting at 2061 half, 2061 half, which is not that far away. We've got the futures trading at a discount of about 8 points. So basically, the cash is right now, if you take today's openings, around 2080 area. We're going to right here should be the bull bear zone when it comes to the market today. When it comes to the cash, when I look at the day only profile, a couple of things that jump out at me is this gap here that we have up to 2090 half, and then we have another gap up here between 2101, 2102 up to 2105. Okay, so it looks like we're getting a little bit of consolidation, but like I said, we're making value area highs are going down, modes are going down. We're trading below the 20-day average of 2091, okay, and the 20 average of 2105 is the mode. But I think that the key to me is that I think this market's got to go down to the 2047 area, 2047, and that's where I think we're headed. Okay, so as far as our value area high and low and things that we should be looking at today, all right. So we have a value area high of 2077. We got a point of control of 2075.75. Okay, and we got a value low of 2067. And yesterday's middle we had at 2069.75 to 2066.75. We're currently trading back above that. But the key was, yesterday when you take a look at this profile, all right. I'm sorry, and our bull bear zone is going to be 2073, 2073 here in orange, right here, 2073. But yesterday's profile, when you look at the day action, we put all this action up here, and it was looking like a double distribution day. We needed to fill back in here, go down and take out the single prints, and we didn't. We did it overnight, and that's when I put out, yesterday tweet on the close, I felt that the market was going to fill in this area overnight. It just seems the way we've been trading that a lot of this stuff has been completed in the overnight action. All right, we got bonds trading basically back up in the 150 area after making its lows, and we've got gold 1182 down a little bit from yesterday, and we got oil actually retreating down to below 59. So those markets have really kind of been stuck in their range. So have we. I think we've been stuck in a range. It's been kind of a whole home trade, and it looks like we're getting a slow meltdown versus a big a big move down. Starting out the day, let's see all the sisters, all the 5 minute pivots. Let me see here. I got to switch to the 5 minute to get a 5 minute pivot. There we go. So 5 minute pivot is below us at 2063 and a quarter, and then we have all the sisters. Their 5 minute pivots are in buys. So I think you're just getting a reaction to the overnight market, sell off, and they came back and they bought them back in. All right, so just to repeat, I really think that the market is in corrective mode. I'm looking for 20 half. My key in the cash, I wouldn't be bullish until we get above 2098. On the way up, we're looking at 2088 half. Remember, we are trading about an 8 point discount to cash. Today, it looks like we're opening right here around 2080 in the cash, and we got to see how the market's going to react to that area. Also, let's take a look at a day chart. ES day chart. ES day chart. That may be it. Yeah. Take a look at this chart here. Again, we're looking at 1, 2, 3 lower closes in a row here. We have that gap, and then we're below. Remember, we're below this area where we had our breakout, and then we went up and made our highs, and we've been struggling to stay there. Now we went back below. We failed to get back above here. These are the action we're seeing. So I'm looking for this area right here, this 20, this action right here is 2035. So, but I'd be happy if we get down there in the 2047 area. So take a look at that. All right, everybody have a good day trading, and stay with us on Man Over Market on Twitter. Thank you. Bye.